Hello folks, I'm here in my kitchen and the problem I have is a problem that you might have. Your kitchen cabinet doors squeak really loud and you need to fix it, and you need an easy way. You can't easily take the cabinet doors off to oil the hinges. So let me show you how bad this one is. And all of them are like that. We've got cabinets, they all just keep doing that. So let me show you the hinge type and see if this is anything like yours. That's the hinge type that we're going to fix. Okay? I'm going to use something that works pretty well, something called liquid wrench. There's other similar products, but this is just a good lubricant that gets in there, and you can see I've got the little straw on the nozzle. That's what you need to make sure that you can spray it in there. So coming back to this, what I do is I grab a little paper towel because there's a little bit of the spray, and I'm going to spray right down in there. See there's a little gap there in the hinge? So a little shot in there. And I've got a paper towel here to catch the excess. And I'm going to do that on the underside too. Let's try this. The bottom side of that one. And then go down to the bottom one. And usually, just back to move the door a little bit. And just like that, it's all done. And I'm just going to go around all these kitchen cabinets and do that. Problem's completely solved. Even if I open it really slow, there's not a single squeak there. And you'll notice also that the cabinet doors move a lot easier, whereas before all that friction, you can move this and the door would stop halfway there. It doesn't. So just a lubricant like that, the straw is the key there. That way you can get that lubricant into the hinge and your cabinet doors will stop squeaking.